Welcome to this tutorial. If you use Brave browser regularly, clearing your browsing data can help maintain privacy and free up space. In this video, I'll guide you through two simple methods to delete your browsing data in Brave. Open Brave browser and click on the three-dot menu in the top right corner. From there, go to Settings. Then select Privacy and Security. Highlight the Clear Browsing Data option and click on it. Here, you can select a time range. You can clear data from the last hour, last 24 hours, last 7 days, last 4 weeks, or all time. You can also choose what specific data to delete, like browsing history, cookies, cached images, and other site data. After selecting the data you want to remove, click Clear Data. Brave will now delete the selected information from your browser. And that's it. You now know 2 easy ways to clear your browsing data in Brave. Keeping your data clean helps improve privacy and keeps your browser running smoothly. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more useful tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.